What's up? What it do? What it do? And what it do? What's up? It's your girl Alifia coming back at you with another video, and y'all know I'm about to talk with my hands and they're dry. Hold on. So anyway, let's get into this video. My name is Alifia. For those of you that are new here, I am so glad you decided to stop in and watch a video with us. Thank you so much. And while you're here, go ahead and join, as Beyonce would say, the, how you do it? The gang, hey, is that gang gang? Isn't that what's the twins' name? Whatever those twins' name are that did the remix to the thing, and they did this look right here, gang gang. I hope I'm not throwing up gang symbols. I'm not a part of a gang. No. This video is a quick tutorial of this look that I created using this gorgeous, gorgeous palette from Juvia's place. I don't know whether I want to talk about the palette or do the look first. What should I do? Let's go ahead and do the look first, and then we'll come back and talk about this palette. Okay, so I decided to come in with one eye done because I had no idea what I was gonna do. So yeah, let's get into this thing. You know, you gotta prime the lid. First color I'm going to use is a bold pink color called Busybody. It is bold, it is pink, it is out there. The next thing I'm going to do is set my concealer on my brow bone with the color Pride. Pride is a nice mauve pink muted out color. It's kind of like, not mauve, well yeah, I can see hints of mauve in it. So I'm not going to highlight it, I just want to set it. And then I'm going to go back in with Busybody. Now lately I have been loving blues and greens, blues mostly, but blues and greens. Yeah, blues mostly, but today I'm going to use a little bit of blue and green. First thing I'm going to do is go in with this color called Fighter. It's a nice, vibrant, shimmery green color. Just going to go all the way up here past my crease. Just blend this color in about halfway across the lid. And then I'm going to take this nice blue color called Power, same brush, and I'm just going to bring that blue color over here in this corner and bring it into the green. Mix those two together. So you give it kind of like a gradient effect. And then this palette has some glitters in it, so I'm going to take the color Yanga and I'm going to put this on my lid using my finger and a brush. I'm going to use a brush as well. Taking this color called Gossip. It's kind of a cross between a chartreuse and a gold, so it's not exactly neither one, and I'm just going to put that over here in the crease, well, in my inner corner. And then I want a little bit more of that glitter. Use my finger, put just a little bit more on there. And then I'm going to take the color Sis. Come on, Sis. And I'm going to put Sis right over here in the outer corner to darken it up a little bit. And then one last time, I want to go back in my crease with Busybody just to blend all that together. For my liner, and y'all already know I need some more, I'm going to take the color Binge by Urban Decay. Uh-oh, let me brush that off. I'm just going to put this on my waterline. And then I'm going to go back into the color Power, and I'm just going to smudge this out. So let's put a little liquid liner on, and we're gonna wing it out, of course. Look at that, I just had to mess up somewhere, right? A little bit of mascara. And then I'm going to tight line with the Urban Decay in the color 0. Lashes lifting in the corner. Let's press that baby down. Baby's crying. I'll be right back. So on May 12th, Juvia's Place dropped, this is the box, this is the palette. Juvia's Place dropped the Wahala palette. And right here, as you can see, it says translation drama. So let's read what the back says. Wahala is a Nigerian word, a translation for drama, trouble, and intensity. Often used as a word and a slang in Nigerian pidgin English. Our drama palette is a powerful selection of contrasting colors which exemplifies our inner struggles and beliefs. Defending and owning your beauty in an artistic way, regardless of societal norms and standards. Our definition of a rainbow palette in its most beautiful, authentic, and dramatic form. So this palette right here retails for $36, and right now currently it is sold out. I ordered this palette literally 20 to 30 minutes after it dropped. I saw the post come across, well, first off, I didn't even know Juvia's was about to come out with a new palette. So I saw the post on Instagram and I immediately went to the site. And then I got 20% off of this palette, and I got 2-day shipping, I believe it was, because today is Sunday, May 17th, and I got this palette on yesterday. So there are some pressed pigments in here. The pressed pigment colors are Fire, Over Sabi, Unsilenced, Woke, and Busybody. And then the eyeshadows are BU, Stand Up, Fighter, Power, Unafraid, Pride, Gossip, Rumors, Envy, Sis, Love, and Unshook. The glitter is Yanga, and then another glitter, Pepper Body and Clout, or Pepper Body. I think it's Body. I think it's Body. So anyway, let's open this bad baby up. I did, of course, use this palette for this look, and this is what this palette looks like. Oh my gosh, y'all. So when I saw this palette on Instagram, I was like, I have to have this palette. But then I looked at it, I was like, there's no true, I guess you could say, color story to this palette. But now getting this palette and looking at and reading the back where it says contrasting, I get where they went now. And the names of these colors, the names of these colors. You have BU, BU, be beautiful. Stand up, girl, stand up for what you know. Fighter, Fire, Power. You never know your power. Unafraid, Pride, Gossip, Rumors, Yanga, Envy. We don't need any of that. Sis, girl, you my sis, I love you. Over Sabi, Unsilenced, Love, Woke, girl, you better stay woke. Unshook, Pepper Body, Busybody. That's some of us every day. Then Clouds. Some people got that cloud, baby. Those are the colors that are in this palette. And when I tell you guys, I am so glad I did purchase this palette. It didn't even take me but a second to decide that I wanted this palette. Just at first glance, I saw this palette and I was like, I have to have it in my collection. So here is another Juvia's Place palette that will go into my collection. Isn't she beautiful? Guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you will get this palette if it's in your budget to get this palette. If you decide you want to get this palette, I do hope you will subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Go ahead, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And as I always say, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye. I don't even know why it was so hard for me to make this video. It seemed like it was hard for me to get those words out. Is this yellow coming up on me? I do love this look.